Today we'll have a look at the repair of a freeway speaker system that I found in the garbage. And you see this part was gone in the loudspeakers, the bass loudspeakers, which is called the suspension. And this is the part which goes away. It's getting old and it's very fragile. And it's just easy to change. So I wanted to do that, and I just bought a kit on the internet with two suspensions and some glue, which is not very expensive. I mean, it's a few euros, or about 10 to 15 euros, or in dollar, it's about the same amount, I guess. And you just have to measure and apply the glue and change it. So it's a very easy repair that I wanted to show you. The pair of loudspeakers, it's a very good brand that is called, we look at the back, which is called Elipson in French, or Elipson if you pronounce it. And it's the brand number is MGK2 80-watt system, made in France, and it's a very, very good hifi loudspeaker, freeway loudspeaker. And as a kid, I always looked at those speakers because I really enjoyed the sound they produce, and never could afford one. So I was very surprised and excited to find a pair of those on the edge of the road when going to bring my garbage, and I just took them and took them home. And very nice bit of paints, but I had to clean that, but it's not an issue. And the way to do that is you use some very fine sandpaper and just remove all that has to be removed. It goes away rather easily. It doesn't have to be a very precise work. It just has to be clean. So you see, it makes a lot of little very fine grain particles, and then you clean it with some. I use acetone, but you can use alcohol if you like. It's just to remove the grease and allow for a better that the glue holds better. I didn't check when I removed that the polarity, so you can see the wires are a bit different, and I saw a little red dot on one of the that gives you the polarity. So I just decided to check on the other one, and just then connect them, see which wire goes where, so that when I connect them they will get the same polarity, because it's important so that the sound is better. As you see on the side here, it was a little drops of paint that I had to clean. I'm not showing that in the video, but it went away rather easily with some wood cleaner and some light abrasive. So now they look fine. As you see there, I found again the red dot, and it helped me finding where to connect what. So then it's just doing the same process again. An easy process. I did that outside for the cleaning part. I used some this is the inside. As you can see, you've got very nice foam inside, so it's very well built set of loudspeakers. And here I used a flat screwdriver, a small one, and then a bigger one, because this one was a bit small. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can scratch a bit the paint. It goes under the glue afterwards, so it's not a big issue. You just have to make sure that it's clean enough, and so that the glue will hold, and that the suspension, we make that the cone moves nicely. So again, acetone, cleaning, and then I stopped the job outside, went inside when everything was dry, and then started the repair. So it's just about putting the glue. I guess it's a contact glue, you know, like the kind of glue you can have to repair shoes. I forgot the name. Whatever, it's very contact glue. And then you just have to check the dimension of the suspension. So you find various dimensions on the net To be honest, I just make the mistakes. First one were too big, so I had to order another pair. Uh, to be honest, it was less than 10 euros or less than $10 also. And the glue, you just apply it on the outside, so very simple, and on the inside of the cone, and then you just have to carefully put it on top, and it sticks very easily. So yeah, the glue, I guess, is neoprene contact glue, something like that. And I added a bit more on the inside because I wasn't sure. It was my first time. I really wanted to be sure it was going to glue. I put, to be honest, I think a bit too much. Here you see, for example, that it's a bit messy there, and the second one was even worse. So I messed a bit in first attempt. But then it's not that a problem. The important fact is that the cone is connected to a suspension, and as you see, I'm just checking there that everything is connected. And if it's not nice, it's just hidden behind the rest of the speaker. And here I'm just listening to music, so I removed the music for copyright issues. And to be honest, it's now the best hifi system I have, so I'm very happy with the result. Yeah, thank you for watching.